kijaka pelang Komisi Benta jongkan National Children's Science Congress ajar apply ke balai puai la pelong iaka State Level Children's Science Congress Kaba arsngi ha auditorium jong ke Shillong College ringkat ke Pang Padang Understanding Ecosystem for Health and Wellbeing. Iaka Science Congress la pelong da ke State Council of Science, Technology and Environment Meghalaya. Aba ajeng kren kum ukongsan u Director ke School Education and Literacy u Swapnil Tembe u lapan pau ka jing ngos camp bagi kena pulia jong ke lawai kena ban long ki nong syam thamai ki ban penbej ya ka jing e ba ka jela ka kendo don na pedeng ki kena pulia ki boleh syam benta ha kene ke lempung ke le kren bat ka Didi News halo ka jing kela ka suimreng bat ka jing jabo ke
40% are carry bags and 50% are chip.
Last but not the least,
we ourselves are experiencing so much of global warming, climate change, erratic rainfall. I mean, weather cannot be predicted. Climate is shifting like anything. So there are many challenges. And science provides us the opportunity to create some answers. Now we are talking so much about solar energy, renewable energy, wind energy, tidal energy. There's so many different aspects coming up.